Hello, I'm Stix. We will learn about direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is the spoken or written text that reports speech or thought in its original form phrased by the original speaker. It is usually enclosed in quotation marks. Whereas, indirect speech is a means of expressing the content of statements, questions or other utterances, without quoting them explicitly as is done in direct speech. For example, Sonic says, "I just don't believe your story." This is the direct speech form. The speaker refers to Sonic the Hedgehog, and its given dialogue is marked with quotation marks. The indirect speech becomes, "Sonic said that he just didn't believe his story." He refers to Sonic, depends on its gender. Second example, Eggman says, "Time for a crash course in villainy." What is its indirect speech? The indirect speech becomes, Eggman said that it's time for a crash course in villainy. Third example, Amy asked to Knuckles that Sonic had forgotten to turn off the welding laser. This is an indirect speech. What is the direct speech? The direct speech becomes, Amy asks to Knuckles, "Sonic forgot to turn off the welding laser." And fourth example, Amy said that she will be opening her new restaurant Chez Amy. This is also an indirect speech. Now convert them into direct speech. The direct speech becomes, Amy says, "I will be opening my new restaurant Chez Amy." So you have learned about direct and indirect speech. Like, comment, and subscribe now.